Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what ports your laptop has and why that matters. USB-C with Thunderbolt gives far higher throughput than USB-A. Once done, back up any critical files so you won't lose data if you reformat. Make sure your SSD has the correct cable or adapter that supports both data and power. Plug the drive in and watch for the OS to detect it. If it doesn't appear, try a different port or cable before moving on. Now you'll initialize and configure the drive so it performs reliably. Open your System Disk tool and initialize the SSD as GPT for modern boot and partition compatibility. Choose a file system based on your needs. XFAT for cross-platform, NTFS for Windows, apps for Mac OS, then create partitions sized for how you'll use the space. Enable encryption if you need security. Make sure to update any SSD. Finish by moving your files or cloning the system image to the external SSD using a reliable copy tool or cloning software for OS migration. Once data is transferred, adjust power and sleep settings so the drive isn't interrupted, and consider disabling indexing to reduce write churn. Run a quick benchmark to confirm speeds match expectations. Eject the drive safely when done. If something goes wrong, try another cable or port. Update drivers/firmware, and run the OS disk repair utility to resolve file system errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.